In this video, I'll show you exactly how to accept event signups and payments in one place, saving you time and hassle. If you've been struggling to juggle multiple platforms for event registrations and payments, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple, streamlined solution to handle it all in one place. The key to making event signups and payments seamless is choosing the right software. You don't want to waste time bouncing between tools. That's why I've tried several popular platforms, and I found a solution that checks all the boxes. The software we'll be using in this video is perfect for accepting signups and payments in one streamlined flow. It allows you to create a professional event registration page in minutes, collect attendee information, and accept payments with ease, all in one place. First, let's quickly walk through how easy it is to set up an event page. Once you're in the software, start by creating a new event. The interface is super intuitive, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be able to do it. You just add basic event details like date, time, location, and a description of the event. From there, you can customize your registration form to capture attendee information, everything from names to special requests. Next, it's time to set up payments. Most event platforms integrate payment processors like Stripe or PayPal, so you don't have to worry about complex configurations. Just link your account, set your ticket prices, and choose your payment options. This software allows attendees to register and pay instantly without you needing to handle any of the technical side. What really sets this software apart is how easy it makes follow-up. You can send confirmation emails, reminders, and even post-event surveys automatically. And the best part, all the data stays in one place, so you can keep track of registrations and payments with ease. I know you want something simple that works. No bouncing between multiple platforms. That's why I recommend this software to everyone looking to accept event signups and payments in one place. If you want to follow along and set up your own event using this software, I've got something special for you. You can get an exclusive free trial by following the link in the description below. This trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while it's available. Now, the key takeaway, you don't need to complicate your event management with multiple tools. By using this software, you can accept both signups and payments in one place, making your life so much easier. Remember, it only takes a few minutes to set up, and you'll have everything running smoothly in no time. To quickly recap, you can set up event pages easily, collect attendee information, and accept payments in one seamless flow. Automate follow-ups like confirmation and reminders. And all the data stays organized in one place. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. You can set up your event with ease and save time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your event planning.